Welcome to Triangle Capella Installation Guide. This guide is intended for all new users who are installing and connecting their speakers for the first time. It provides step-by-step instructions for setting up your system right out of the box. The first step is to turn on the remote control. Use the supplied tool to unscrew the cover on the bottom of the remote and insert the batteries. Be sure to insert the batteries with the correct polarity as shown in the illustration. Then close the cover. Check if both the LEDs on the remote control and on the back of the stereo hub light up each time you press a button. The next step is to install the stereo hub. Place the antenna at the back of the unit. Then select the appropriate power cord for your region. It's important to allow the stereo hub to complete its booting process, which takes about 80 seconds. Use the WISA LED on the back of the stereo hub as a guide. The WISA LED will first turn black for 60 seconds. It will then blink for about 20 seconds. When the WISA LED turns off, the stereo hub's starting sequence is complete. We'll now show you how to install your speakers. The label on the back of your speakers indicates where to place them in your listening area. Plug the power cord on the first speaker. A blue LED will light for about 5 seconds. Wait another 20 seconds for the orange LED to light up. Repeat the process for the second speaker. The system is fully paired when the LEDs on both speakers and the WISA LED on the stereo hub are solid orange. We'll present to you how to connect Capella to your Wi-Fi network using the Google Home application. This pairing is done over Wi-Fi. Please make sure that your Wi-Fi signal is sufficiently powerful to ensure good transmission of information wirelessly. Launch the application and click Add a device. Select the Google Nest or Partner Device option. Select the home where you want to integrate your speakers. The stereo hub will be automatically detected and paired with it. The application will perform a sound test, so even if you don't hear any sound, click Yes. You'll be able to adjust the sound later in the Triangle Capella application. We recommend that you rename your device to Capella so it can easily be identified within your home network. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password if necessary. Be careful not to misspell your password or you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the Google Home application and restart the pairing process. The device will now connect to your Wi-Fi network, and once pairing is complete, you'll be able to stream music on your speakers using AirPlay or Chromecast. Next, open your favorite streaming application and select the music you want to listen to. At the bottom of the music application, you'll find an icon to stream your music on your speakers. Depending on the device you're using, you'll be able to choose between either Chromecast or AirPlay if you have an Apple phone or tablet. It's possible to automatically calibrate your speakers to match with your listening room. A complete and detailed procedure is available in the Triangle Capella application video guide. You connect any type of wired source to your stereo hub, such as HDMI, RCA, or even USB. You can switch sources using either the remote control or the front panel of the Capella application. You'll find all our Capella guides and tutorials on the trianglehifi.com website on the Capella support page. You'll find many articles to help you set up and manage your system. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer service by using the chat icon at the bottom right of the web page, or by phone during business hours in France, or with the contact form. We recommend that you make an appointment with an advisor at a time of your choice by filling the form.